Welcome to Narpavi Light YouTube channel. Subscribers, we are giving useful tips for spiritual life and free flow of money with fruit formula and other more useful informations to our subscribers. Those who are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe once more our channel. Get number of benefits for your life improvement. Good luck. Rasi Balan for people born in Ashwini, Bharani, Kritikai first pada stars or in Mesha Lagna or with sun in Mesha. Rasi Balan for July of 2021. Involvement in business may give tension between 3rd and 4th. Overseas orders and financial loans will be received before July 8th. Those who are in agriculture lines will get good return. Improvement in financial position is denoted. Service people will get promotion and transfer. Some may blessed with long overseas travel. Unnecessary quarrel and temporary separation among some couple till 16. Long awaited communications may give happiness and financial growth. Some may get ancestral property. Speculation will be beneficial between 21st and 22nd. Stock market people may find easy success during the last week. New agency business may come to you and health will be maintained well. For aged people and children, the health will be normal. Unnecessary medical expenses will be reduced. For office going ladies, there will be some tension prevail, but it will not hurt. Rasi Balan for Rishabha Rasi. People born in Kritikai 2nd, 3rd, 4th padas, Rohini, Mrigashira 1st and 2nd padas are Taras Lagna or with the sun in Taras. Health will be maintained well. Business plans will work out well. Good decisions will be undertaken. Speculative income will be more. Litigation will be postponed. After 12th, some may be interested to enter into film industry. Success for playwriters during 18th and 19th. Some may be blessed with new vehicle around 3rd week. Short travel will give happiness. Very easy going month. Frequent travel in this month. Some may find temporary separation from the life partner for a short period. And wife's health will be normal. Some may get new jobs. Around 3rd week, there will be good changes. Unexpected ancestral property or money may come for some people. Health problem may occur for some aged people. Sports persons will get honor by the government. Around third week, business communications will be received. Export business will be good. Around 24th, bulk orders from overseas can be enjoyed, gain in speculations. For children in orphanage will get more benefits by this month. Office going girls, atmosphere of the office will be very smooth. For younger girl, she may like somebody and love may be success this month. It will end in marriage aspect. Rasi Balan for Midhuna Rasi. People born in Mrigashira 3rd, 4th padas Arudra, that is Tiruvadirai. Punarpusham 1st, 2nd, 3rd padas are in Gemini Lagna or with Sun in Gemini. Financial crisis till 14th of this month. Education will be good for youngsters. Higher education is promised. Purchase of vehicle may take place. Some may be blessed with long travel. Success in competitive examinations. Social status and prosperity will be maintained. Food related business will get improvement. Support from family members will continue. Textile industry will flourish and overseas orders can be expected. New decisions and discussions with partners will take place to improve business. Temporary separation from your life partner may be there. There won't be any litigation. The life will be normal. In general, litigation will continue for landed properties or business oriented line. Investment in business will pay you well. Purchase of property will be after 3rd week. Film industry may get lift and success for cine artists. Purchase of jewelry may take place after 23rd. Peace and prosperity will prevail family. Some may be blessed with the government honor around 3rd week. Some may be interested to mitigate overseas for job purpose. Rasi Balan for Kadaka Rasi. People born in Punarpusham 4th pada, Pusam, Aslesha are in Cancer Lagna born or with Sun in Cancer. Small separation with a business partner till 16th. The planetary combination indicates expansion of business around 3rd week. Export business will be good. Trading and commission agency business will flourish well. Mental tension will prevail between 26th and 27th. Little quarrel between family members around 16th. Satisfactory results in share market. Targets can be achieved by students. Overseas travel will fetch you new business opportunities. After 19, good cash flow is denoted. Seasonal products will give benefits. Textile business will be good. Gain through agriculture. Purchase of vehicle around third week. Overseas education is possible for some students. Uncommon expenses may prevail. Small ailments may be witnessed. Financial business will be good. Some may be blessed with higher education. Some ladies blessed with children. Some ladies may get marriage benefits. Speculation will be good till 17th. Long awaited communications will be received. Peace and prosperity will be maintained. Professional people will find success in their activities. Name and fame will be maintained. Service people will get promotion and transfer. Long awaited litigation will come to an end. Rasi Balan for Simha Rasi. Persons born in Magham, Puram, Uttram, first pada, or in Leo Lagna, or with Sun in Leo. Foreign travel during second week. Interviews will be successful. Overseas communications regarding higher education will be successful. Around 8th, unnecessary tension may prevail with your superiors. Speculative gains in share market around. Purchase of new vehicle around third week. Litigation will come to a good shape. On 28th, tension through partners. Some may go for long-term loan. Investment in share market around second week. Service people may get promotion. Working ladies will get good atmosphere in office and appreciated by their superiors. Small business people will get benefit. Expenses will get reduced. Small separation can be expected from your life partner. Short travel will give pleasure. Long awaited litigation will be favorable. Good communication around 29. Bank balance will improve after 7. Gain through ancestral property around third week. Some may be blessed with landed property around third week. Cash flow will be good. Support from your friends and family for business expansions can be expected. Mental happiness will prevail. Speculative gain can be witnessed. Some may be blessed with promotion around the second week. Small journey will be undertaken. Purchase of new vehicle around third week. Communication will be received after 12th. Speculative gain around 18th. Investments in share market will be more. Tension during the last week in all activities. Some may be blessed with life partner. Rasi Balan for Kanni Rasi. Persons born in Uttram, 2nd, 3rd and 4th pada. Hastam, Chitrai, 1st and 2nd padas are in Virgo Lagna or Sun in Virgo. First week of this month, some may have financial strain and tension. Some may be blessed with new vehicle around the third week. Purchase of immovable property may also take place during the second week. Medical expenses will be reduced. Peace and prosperity may prevail. After 15th, export business will be brisk. Frequent overseas trip may be possible. Politicians will have good name and fame. After 20th, new ventures may be entertained with which will be profitable. Service people may get internal transfer. Some may be blessed with newborn baby. Short travel pilgrimage will give happiness in this month. Some may construct their landed property. Real estate will be average. After 8th, personal loans may be taken by some people. Medical expenses will be reduced. Litigation will be postponed. After 7th, expected business communication will be received. New ventures will be undertaken. Political life will have tension. After 18th, some may change their environment. Health will be maintained well. Uncommon expenses may prevail. New partnership business will be in progress. Planning and purchasing new properties may be there. Happy and harmonious life will be maintained. Money flow will be normal. Children may get good health. For ladies working in office may get promotion and good atmosphere and peace of mind. Rasi Balan for Tula Rasi. Persons born in Chitrai 3rd, 4th padas, Swadi, Visaham 1st and 2nd and 3rd padas are in Libra Lagna or with Sun in Libra. Very successful month. Some may get new job opportunities. Speculative income may be good. Long travel will give happiness. Auspicious functions may be held. After this month, second week, business people may get substantial improvement in their field. Some may be blessed with new agency, business. Students will have successful future. Long-awaited litigation will be favorable. Social status will be maintained. Mental tension during the second week may go away. Some may be benefited by speculative income. Cash flow will be good. Some may go for pilgrimage tour. Export business will be profitable. New agreements will be signed in film industry. Some may be blessed with vehicle. Political life will be very good. Student development and growth is there for students. Unwanted worries will be over by this month. Politicians will get acknowledgement. Ancestral money may be received by some people. Musician will get name and fame. Long travel may give accession. Children will have good health and ladies will have good health. By this month, Rasi Balans for Virchiga Rasi. Persons born in Visakam Portupada, Anuradha, Jesta stars are in Scorpio Lagna or with Sun in Scorpio. Very happy month. Gain through speculation can be expected. Savings will be more. Some may clear their debts. Some may find travel, that is long travel and overseas trips can be possible. Export business will be good. Encouraging communications will be received. Loans will be reduced. Litigation will continue. Family support will be maintained. Politicians will face tension period. Easy success for students in their attempts. Purchase of vehicle during the second week can be expected. That is sure. 4-wheeler or 2-wheeler, whatever it may be, you will purchase. Change of job is indicated. Environmental change will give happiness. You may get some financial assistance and a speculative gain. Partnership business will be good. Artists will gain their efforts. Some may be blessed with immovable property. Regarding health, some may suffer from backache. Litigation may continue. Peace and prosperity will be maintained at home. Some may be blessed with gain in stock market. Monetary gain through elder brother or sister during this week can be expected. Real estate business will be average. Share market will be maintained well. For children and aged people, health will be normal. Good month. Rasi Balan for Dhanur Rasi. Persons born in Moolam, Puradam, Uttradam first pada are in Sagittarius Lagna or with Sun in Sagittarius. Positive changes may take place in your career. After 11, some may get speculative income as well as business improvement. Political life will be tiresome. Long travel will give exertion. Unwanted commitments may result in mental tension. After third week, some may get overseas job. Partnership business may be good during this second week. Happy and harmonious life will be maintained. Service people will get promotion. Those who are in film industry, successful new entry will take place. Social status will be maintained. Some may be blessed with long-term loan, purchase of vehicle around third week. Gain in disposal of properties, encouraging communications will be received. Stock market will improve. Savings will be more. For children and aged people, health will be very fine by this month. For office going ladies, there will be good atmosphere and peace of mind, and appreciation from superior officers can be got. Some younger people, some girls and boys may have love affair. That affair end in marriage by this month. It's a good month for them. Rasi Balan for Makara Rasi. Persons born in Uttradam 2nd, 3rd, 4th padas, Shravanam, Dhanishta 1st, 2nd padas, are in Capricorn Lagna or with the Sun in Capricorn. Successful month. Financial positions will be good. Around 28 there will be speculative gain. Investment in share market is advisable. Some may get overseas travel. Those who are in service may get substantial improvement in their career. Power and positions will be maintained. Gain through agriculture goods can be expected by this month. Long awaited litigation will be favorable. Export business will be good. Peaceful atmosphere will prevail by this month. Some may be blessed with ancestral property. Some may be blessed with long travel. Unnecessary complication in trading etc. can be expected. Gain through share market can be expected. Service people will get promotion. Financial and mental strain can be observed for some people of this Rasi. Cash flow will be very good by this month. Some may be blessed with jewelry properties. Sales of vehicles or sales of lands will be profitable by this month. Some may be find new friendship. Joint venture may be undertaken. Real estate business will be very dull. Uncommon expenses will be prevail. Social status and popularity will be maintained. Service people may get promotion and transfer. Speculative income can be enjoyed. This month is a good month. For aged people and children and ladies, health will be normal by this month. Rasi Balan for Kumbha Rasi. Persons born in Dhanishta 3rd, 4th padas, that is Avittam 3rd and 4th padas. Sadabisha, that is Sadayam 1, 2, 3, 4 padas. Puratta, the 1st, 2nd, 3rd padas are in Aquarius Lagna or with the Sun in Aquarius. Happy month. Gain through speculation can be expected. Entering into a new business around this 3rd week with the benefits can be expected. Long awaited litigation will be favorable. Positive results for political people can be expected. Around third week, purchase of property may be there. Peaceful atmosphere at home will prevail. Pilgrimage to Pilgrimage tour will be organized. Service people will get good placement. Some may get speculative income around 22nd. Mental tension and worries will be warded off. Reduce your expenses in this month. Long travel may be there. For some people, change of environment may also take place. Health will be maintained well. Support from superiors may be witnessed. Improvement in business may be there. By this month, some may undertake long travel. Profitable income by disposal of landed property can be more benefited as expected benefit will be there. Some may purchase new property also. Uncommon expenses will be reduced. Political life will be tension, and political line may have tension, litigation. So far, those who have come across litigation, that will continue. Senior artists will get popularity. Happy life will be maintained. And TV serial actor, actress will get happy life and popularity and some gift from government. First 2 weeks, financial strain may be there. Export business people will get bulk orders. Peaceful atmosphere will be maintained. Rasipalan for Meena Rasi. Persons born in Purattadi, Portpada, Uttarattadi, Revati stars are in Pisces, that is Meena Lagna, or with sun in Pisces or Meena Lagna. Steady improvement in business can be expected. Financial position will improve well. Unexpected speculative income may be around the 7th of this month. Name and fame will be maintained. Service people will get transfer and promotion before the end of this month. There may be mental tension due to your partners. Some may be blessed with wedlock. Auspicious functions will be held. Old litigation will continue. Speculative gain. Sudden change in environment and service can be expected. Some may be blessed with gift by elders. Some may get overseas job. Some may be blessed with new property. Change of residence may be there. Some may be blessed with newborn baby. Change of job may be expected. Good recognition of your family and status will improve. Some may be blessed with a life partner, as already told by me. This month is favorable for wedlock. Some may be blessed with landed properties. Some may face financial strain and mental tension that will be warded off by this month. Purchase of vehicle may take place. Film industry will get substantial improvement. Health will be maintained very well. Aged people and for children, health will be very good. And medical expenses will be nil for them by this month. For all Rasis, it is common Parihara, that is, pray Lord Anjaneya for all success. This Parihara is common for all. It is a simple Parihara for all Rasis. Pray Lord Anjaneya. Before that, you first pray Lord Ganesha and then your Kula Devata. After that, you can pray Hanuman Devata. You can chant Hanuman Chalisa. It will be more successful for your entire activities for this month. Good luck.